the ad hoc committee. What are your thoughts? Is it necessary for Julius Malema or Skhosana to wear their party regalas in such a committee? Is it necessary for them to be visible into saying, I am the EFF and I'm not here for any other political parties but for EFF? Is it necessary for us to have the chairman esnaye? Are you happy with that chairman? Are you pleased with the chairman ad hoc committee? Are you pleased with how they are handling uGeneral wethu Mkhwanazi? Are you happy with yonke into that you've seen thus far? Is it just a waste of time? Do you think ukuthi it's relevant? Do you think ukuthi bekumele ngabe kumelwe iMadlanga Commission yaphela, and then maybe they would have gathered enough time to wenza zonke izinto bekumele bazenze so that they can be prepared for the general? Do you think ukuthi they were not prepared for a general? Do you think ukuthi le abayenza manje like ayinasidingo? It was not even supposed to get that far because of already there's a commission that is dealing with the same allegations that they have called General Mkhwanazi to answer to. Is it really necessary? Are you happy with yonke into ebonayo? Are you happy with chairman? Are you happy with Julius Malema? Are you happy with the other political members? And into engifuna ukuyibuza kakhulu, are you happy that general ifika lapha ngesuit and tie and abanye? What are your thoughts? Professionalism, do you think it's more professional compared to the commission? Or do you think ukuthi commission, when it comes to professionalism, when it comes to relevant appointments of people who know the law and of people who practice the law, do you think when it comes to professionalism, either Madlanga Commission has an upper hand as compared to the ad hoc committee? Is there anyone that maybe you feel ukuthi they could have at least bamkhethe to replace a certain person in this committee? And who is that person for you? Who is that person for you that you say ukuthi nabangakhipha lo bafake lo, at least it will be balanced? Are you just happy nje with the ad hoc committee when you compare it to the Madlanga Commission?